This trucker suddenly noticed a reckless driver trying to cut in last second at the zipper merge. But instead of backing off, he decided to give him a hard time and held his ground. That's when the two vehicles collided, which made the driver extremely angry. He started braking and slowing down, and only seconds later, he stopped right in the middle of the road. The guy jumped out and told the trucker to pull over while his girlfriend pulled out her phone to take pictures. But it wasn't over yet. After checking the damage, the guy got back in his car, demanding the trucker pull over. But he had other plans and tried to escape. That backfired instantly as the driver stayed right in front of him, and they eventually pulled over anyway.